Intelligent drug dispensary to the emerging economies is what Tempus is to the developed world. Precision medicine through application of artificial intelligence on medical records. By monetizing the healthcare ecosystem of Pakistan, estimated at $1.36 billion annually, we offer an 11 times return to our seed investor by the 5th year of our operations. Have you ever fallen prey to a quack? 2 out of 3 Pakistanis have. How often do you think you're dispensed a counterfeit medication? 30% of times in emerging economies. Do you know what a hasty, illegible, handwritten prescription translates into? Severe adverse effects if you're lucky, mortality otherwise. Can you guess the carbon footprint of doctors in Pakistan? 4 million kilograms of paper waste per year. We solve all of these problems through a sophisticated solution of digitizing medical records. IDD provides a cross-platform app to the patients, using which they can simply record their symptoms, vitals, laboratory, as well as radiology tests. This app is linked with the licensed doctor's app, which he uses to diagnose and prescribe. The patient's app is also integrated with the local pharmacies to offer swift prescription drug pickup. By application of artificial intelligence on these 3 interfaces, the total data that is mined through it offers precision medicines, reduces carbon footprint, and sale of counterfeit medication. We are unique in offering for free electronic medical records to the doctors, hasty pickup of prescription drugs to the patients, and machine learning on integrated medical records to our clients. The pharmaceutical companies in particular are offered preferential listing, making their drugs literally 2 taps away from getting prescribed. In addition, we offer them lead generation and sales analytics. Our business model is to acquire patients and doctors through a freemium app, focusing on Generation Z first, followed by Generation Y. Early monetization shall take place through acquisition of pharmacies by offering them increased footfall and enhanced productivity. The data mined through this nexus shall be utilized to create value for our primary revenue stream, the pharmaceutical industry. The total addressable market is estimated at $1.36 billion. Of this, $282 million market is serviceable. IDD intends to acquire 3% of the market share initially, gradually increasing it to 36% by the 5th year to reach a total value of $101 million. Our primary rival in the industry is Healthfire, who are offering their services at a price more than our own. Another competitor is Instacare, that is bringing far less value to the table. OlaDoc is an indirect competitor that is partnered with Instacare, and Dr. Briefcase has not been able to rouse much interest from the local market. The competition combined is only serving 8% of the serviceable addressable market. IDD positions itself primarily on the value that it creates and secondarily on the cost-benefit analysis of what it is offering. Our team enjoys trust and support from some very strong influencers in the healthcare ecosystem. In addition to that, we are getting inside information through some potential clients of ours sitting in the pharmaceutical industry. The primary barrier that we are creating for new entrants is that our core is highly protected, not even shared with our in-house team. Higher switching cost exists for the doctors due to proprietary data, and moderate switching cost owes to the integration of doctors, pharmacies, patients, and laboratories. We generate our revenue primarily through subscriptions. The application is offered to the pharmacies at a rate of $49.99 per month, to the pharmaceutical companies at $2,500 per month. The app is offered for free to doctors and patients, and if they subscribe to the premium features, the subscription is offered at $9.99 per month to the doctors and $0.99 per month to the patients. What we ask from you today is $150,000 against 15% of our equity in the form of preferred stock along with a seat on the board. We shall use this capital to increase our human resource and to scale in order to achieve a nationwide presence. Our conservative projections suggest that you will be getting a 93% internal rate of return, making the net present value of your investment 11 times of what it is 5 years from now. I am Khalid Raza Khan, the founder of Intelligent Drug Dispensary, associated with clinical dentistry these past 11 years. I shall be overseeing operations, focusing on strategy, marketing, and finance. My co-founder, Mohammad Lukman Khan, is a tech enthusiast who's working as a director of Walgreens, and he shall be offering his services as a CTO and overseeing data analytics and DevOps. Invest in us today. What are you waiting for? Let's disrupt the healthcare ecosystem together.